They don't know me. I roam the internet streets. And while scrolling and patrolling, I see a dear pastor and it says, "My friend blew my mind." You see why when a woman don't like when a friend and a man don't like when a friend? Because when the friend them always end up in a bed, all comes. Eh? One of us do different before you find a man or a woman. But don't like you know. Anyways, we could go down in the things and say, what a friend do for blow them mind. So them said, "Dear Pastor, I have a story to tell you. I was born in Jamaica, but I got married and I'm living with my husband in New York. We are happily married. My husband and I attend church every Sunday." Jesus, I say, you know, I'm going to tell you some foolishness like she want me to know so it's a good Christian lady. She said, "One of my girlfriends, okay, in Jamaica is always encouraging me to visit her. So I asked my husband to pay my way to spend time with my friend, and he agreed. I came to Jamaica 2 years ago and spent time with my friend at her house. But I had an experience that I do not want to repeat." So the friend go on. "When my girlfriend and I were in school, we were very close. I did not know that she was so weird." Oh, so you never like it. "Her husband literally gave up the bedroom to both of us. We went out together, and when we came back, we slept in her bed. After going to the bathroom, this woman would just strip off all her clothes. I did not think much about it the first night, but the second night, I felt her going down on me." Should have asked consent. "I tried to tell her no, and that if I wanted to have oral, I could just get that from my husband. But she did not stop. Whoa. I cut my visit short, but I cannot tell my husband what took place because he would not believe me. She has since told me on the phone how much she has admired me all these years, and she hopes that we can continue to be good friends." So you did finish, miss? Like you did get your, because you say you tell her to stop and she never stopped. So what happened after that? You did go and enjoy your little self and roast scrum, and then you go sleep and what, and then you just start, me go home because I burn my husband. I burn this, you know, miss. Burn my husband, so I'm going to come get me yard before me get some more tonight, and then I want to go home. Miss, what happened? I need more details. This better not be the end of it. What should I do? Miss, I done this story right here. I'm gonna like this. You give me a church version. How should I look at this problem? Please give me your advice. My advice, miss, I like how your friend go about it. If your friend did want something for eat and she did hungry, she should have told you. Because she go there with no consent. If it was a man do this, we ball out RAPE loud. Brawling, we not stop shout it. RAPE, RAPE, never ask the consent, ray. So why is it because woman and if a man per man, we ball out RAPE, RAPE. So why is it because a woman per woman and a RAPE? It is wrong. She should ask your permission if you want to be caressed. Right? So I disagree with how your friend go about the thing. And then she don't know how you react to it. She don't know if you're into the ladies and such. When you like how your friend go about it. But it's not like it makes you finish still because you say you tell her no, but she never stop, which means say, my dear, what should you do? I don't know. If you don't want it, now go back go link the friend. If you want it, go back go link the friend. Let me see what she in it again. Let me see. After going to the bathroom, this woman went down. She never stopped. I tried to tell her, but she never stopped. But I cannot tell my husband what took place because he would not believe me. She has since told me on the phone how much she has admired me all these years, and she hopes that we can continue to be good friends. Good, good friends. So I come link her again. You understand? Plus, mama knows say that French. You know, she try get a little $100 send every 2 weeks. Go on, yeah. Yeah, lady. Anyways, miss, if you like it, go back. If you don't like it, stay here. Not take no call from the friend. But again, if you like it and you don't mind, try it again. Book, tell your husband, no, me not condone cheating. Me just remember say married. You're a married lady, me not consenting to, me not condone cheating. So, you know if you match it up and say if this is something, boy, me not tell you if you tell him, me not tell you enough to tell him, me dear. If I me that want know, so me no know. Oh, I think if you tell him. Remember, say never go about that, you cut the visit short. So it's not like, say, you stayed the entire visit. Say, I say, when we reach the first year, you should do it, and then we left the last year, whatever. I feel like if you tell him, because him read this now, what happened? Tell him, be sitting down and say, babes, remember when we got Jamaica go link Tasha or Claudette? And him say, yeah. You remember somebody come home early? Yeah. There's a reason why I come home early. I might say, what happened? He say, no, say. Tasha a lesbian. And I must say, Tasha can't lesbian. Tasha not married, Tasha not have husband. Okay, so I'm wrong, babes. Tasha is into woman. Oh, you know that. Tasha look me. Tasha look you. Well, she didn't really look me still, no babes. Let me tell you what go on now. After me and Tasha did it now, the husband come out and give you the room, car. You understand? Them now want me sleep on floor. And me just wake up in the night and Tasha do her thing. Do what thing? The thing, babes, the thing. You know the thing, you do the thing. You know the thing. I might say, what you mean? I mean, I'm tell her to stop, babes. You know, I'm not go down in the things. I'm not tell him, say, Ray, and babe, you know, there's not too much. I'm tell him, say, Ray, and I said, I come home early because the day after, I just come on my yard. Because I never like it. And I'm saying, yeah. I'm going to say I talk to Tasha on the phone since then, yeah. So I tell her I never like it. I feel like if I tell him, but that does me though. Tasha, you're wrong by the way. Should I get consent from the lady? But if it's something that you like, then you need to be honest with your husband. You can't fly go down to make Tasha deal with you properly and the husband not fine and him don't know. I'm not condone bun, so this husband a bun you then. Anyways, let's see what Pastor. Because Pastor get terrible advice, you know. Jesus Christ. Pastor must pass on and Pastor that do this or him son do it or something. I have some terrible advice that my dear. Pastor say your experience with your Jamaican friend might have to remain with you until you die. But it is totally up to you to decide what you should do. Your husband might never believe that you had such an experience with your friend. You have to be very careful in the future. You can't trust every woman in the world. So think about it before you make your decision. Would the husband leave you, miss? Would he divorce you? You want Tasha? You want to do it again? You did love it and so? Because since seeing that you never tell Tasha to do it, unless I lie, I tell you. Seeing that you never tell Tasha to do it in your church, right? And so it's a one-off thing. It will never happen again because you don't want them things there. Then, but me say the right thing to their pastor. What if the man see it? And he say 2 years ago, so if they match up the date to the date now, lady. Somebody said, what would I do if I was if I was in your shoes? I would avoid this woman and you don't have to say a word to your husband. Boy, would you want to know? Because they know, Mr. find out 3-4 years later. My thing is, okay, so you never they like it. Why you never come tell me? You make you look guilty. Somebody say, to me, she looks like she wants her friend to blow her mind during another encounter. She never like it. She said she tell her to know me can make my husband do that way, but she wouldn't stop, which means that the friend continue, right? When you could have just thump her in her head. Come off of my lady. Back up off of my front. No? You can't thump her in her head, kick her, things, right? So it's not like they like where Tasha did that work and now the lady named Tasha, the lady named Claudette, the lady named Paulette. So you like what Tasha did that go on with. So it sounds like you want to book a flight, go back down there if you make Tasha do it again. But then again, maybe not. I don't know, lady, I don't have proper advice here. But that's a work with your conscience. What can your conscience manage? If your conscience can manage to shut your mouth and never talk for the next 20 years and be okay with even find out 10 years and on, if you can manage it, then I guess that's it. And if your conscience cannot manage it, but then again, it's how you're supposed to. Because let's say your man is a man of God, so much godly, that he might start burn you out and burn fire upon your car. He might say, use a batty girl. Then you might need to like him out. I don't know, miss. Somebody said something like the husband wanted a threesome, right? Him come out of the room, set it up so Tasha could have managed. And then once that one now, them draw down people. I mean, some things, man, here. Somebody said you felt her going down on you. All right. So somebody, see that Mac, you know, catch on pan with me, I catch on pan. That Mac say you felt her going down on you. You tried to tell her no, but she did not stop. Why you never kick her off of you then? Come on, what really take place? Exactly. But I believe the lady's story. The lady's story now grabbed me the way to color me up. So I say, yeah, Tasha did really wrong. No. Because if me lie down and a man right now come, I say my roast girl. I'm into the roast girl. I'm thump him in the head top. Brother, name is come off of me. If a mamsel come now and mamsel a try radam badam, me no just thump madam in her top of her head. When she say what that for, me say, you know, me say ease up off of me, what happen? Me know me nice. You understand? But ease up off of my man. So what kind of fight did I fight her so? Me just talk it through. The drop asleep. Maybe the story goes so say the drop asleep with you and Tasha start do the things them. And you probably started your husband because you figured saying that you yard. And then you wake up and say Tasha, you say no, 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 no. But then Tasha carry on because Tasha's a girl who do the thing for the regular. And so I said, no, no, no. But the no was knowing. And Tasha deal with the thing. Nice. Until you realize you're in trouble now, you do so boop and jump at the flat and go your yard. So you like Tasha. You love Tasha, you know? Somebody say ask her again. I don't know what you mean by the child. And it's Tasha one big strong girl. They made dear. But I head down there. So I don't know. I understand. Somebody said this is a essay. I do agree. This is asexual, so ASS alt, right? Just so you know, you should let her know that is what you consider it to be. And that you no longer trust her, why you'll no longer continue the friendship. Let her know she's lucky you did not report her and that her husband is an accomplice. What a piece of work. So sorry you had that experience. Somebody responded and said that is not essay because only a man can commit that. A man alone can do essay. Who are Guna for life? Guna have sense? Guna, which school you go? Talk to me, Guna. Which school you go? Come on, call up the principal and talk to them. Don't, or you take it up. Somebody have respond to Guna and say, I don't think that is true. You mean by a man alone can do essay? So if a girl right now and draw for anything or a dragon buckle or a Guinness buckle, what you mean? If two girl and one sit down up at top and one next one down at the brain and so, and the lady never want it. You do understand that essay is one person is not giving consent. You understand that, right? Anyways, I'm not linger upon it because sometimes when people don't stay too long, I'll you turn idiot. Somebody say, how did she know that could even make an attempt to put her nasty lips on your privates? No means no, Lord. What is going on God's green earth? I wonder if her husband wanted a threesome. Maybe not. Maybe the poor husband not even know say Tasha run her Tasha mouth. You understand? Maybe he does. I don't know. Somebody say, I agree with you. I think the husband knew what was going to happen, and this is why he gave up the bedroom to them. He wanted his wife to get her worked up, and then he would come in and join. She should tell her husband, but not all of the details. She should tell him that the reason why she cut the trip short was because her friend told her that she liked her more than just a friend. He needs to know the danger around her and his family. Jesus Christ, idiot man. You don't know, say, everything that's more than tell a lie. You know, so that's why you have to take advice from a man. Unless a man I was like, catch a give on and them thing, you know. Because uno I got divulge information that was never asked, tell a lie, which just means say, why you not even come tell me something and lie upon it. And then you can't keep up with the lie because it's a lie you tell. It no, and then now, you're going to make the man feel like, say, Tasha is a danger. Danger! So now the man want to reach out for defend him thing and now Tasha go said, I never said you're a big man. I'm going to tell you the truth. Me and mom's in it. She tell us in the room, me and her sleep together. She tell us she took off her clothes and me take off my clothes every night go bed. She tell us with a rubber band wire. And she tell us me no roar and she never stop me. She tell us she did bap a couple times. So she want that. She not for the part of the story. Now you're in a big trouble. And everything that you lock your mouth, more than going to tell lie upon people. If you have to tell a lie in a story, nobody tell a story. If you can't own up to your part of it, just shut up. Let's stop in eyes. You know what I can tell lie upon people. Now the Tasha do a essay, yes. But more than that did happen. You do not go to the man and tell the man a lie. I'm not too little bit of lie for no reason. But it happen eyes. Somebody say yes, I think the writer is holding back some things. I wonder if they put something in her, give her a substance and she doesn't remember anything. Then yes, she wake up and Tasha did a angle bangle. Anyway, so she wake up and Tasha the angle scangle. Tasha the manage it. And when she tell Tasha, so no, Tasha, no, Tasha, the husband do the things. I mean, Tasha, I mean, I'm okay with the man, I come over my thing. Then yes, so Tasha did finish it off. What happened to you? I'm not telling you about Tasha, man. Tasha did do the essay, because they never asked you all of this. That's what Tasha started off, but the lady never it did finish. So I don't know if it's say. Somebody said this sounds made up. Somebody said this is why nowadays I do not make friends easily. I get invited to women's houses all the time and I do not go at all. Somebody said, don't worry about it. Your husband more than likely paid your way down to see your friend because he wanted to be rid of you for a while. I said that come to my mind, you know. I said the man excited if it's in the Jamaica, so him and him girl can't excited together. Me dear. You want guy yard? Watch it now. Watch it. Stay 2 weeks, babe. 2 weeks. Me get freedom. No complain or nothing. Yeah, man. Go on, man. Your husband more than likely paid your way down to see your friend because he wanted to be rid of you for a while so that he could screw around or do some other nefarious deed. It's all good. Keep that to yourself. No mind him. Not go say, you know. Maybe the lady gonna Jamaica for 5 days, you know. Come back after 2, you know. Or 3, you know. And the man up there, I wash, cook, clean, and I take you to pity them, you know. Mind him. Maybe the man don't, you know. Jesus. Somebody said, let's be straightforward and honest and not be biased. If the table had been turned and the Jamaican friend was a male, exactly as this may I say, everyone would be clambering for the hangman's noose. RAPE is what it is, as this woman indicated that it was not a consensual act and should be dealt with seriously. But the hypocrites we are, we can only see when a man does it to a woman. It's possible that this woman is mentally scarred for the rest of her life. Oh, Jesus. Yes, I want to touch out a big chang man, because I mean by tell Tasha no and Tasha continue. I don't understand this. But you said it's sweet, you. No, you say your friend blew your mind. So maybe it's sweet, you. And she started and said, no, no, no. And she called and then I said, boy, this nice. And I'm just, what do you think, huh? And then after you done, I said, John, no, married him, and this me come about. Come get me out there, man. Tasha, me not the plan to do, you know. John. Somebody said, Pastor, the writer really need you to tell her that this incident, whether she was a willing participant or not, is one that she should definitely take to her grave. And to diplomatically convey to this friend that she doesn't roll like that. Don't know if this friend of hers or her husband would somehow pull the coat of this writer's husband as to the bedroom shenanigans which took place between these two women. That's personally, I believe in the truth still, you know. I mean, I tell him, but I sit him down. I say, babe, there's something to tell you. Because how me you not believe the things I'm talk? Or me if I'm not believe the things I'm you talk? Or if you not things I'm gonna believe in either. So I'm come tell you something like that, you're supposed to listen me out. Unless I'm so churched out that because we're gonna start washing him down with holy water and beating him down in the olive oil. I don't know. I don't know, miss. You maybe need more information though, miss. Me personally, me not tell him. I would have told him because I tell you, you know, story in the dark tend to come to light. And especially if he asks you why you come back so early, I hope you never lied. Because a lie is worse than the truth. Every single time. Anyways, drop in my comments and let me know how you feel about the thing and let me know if you are say big or serious. Me not tell him nothing. You're crazy. Me I dead with that. Mad. I'm not walk and talk by myself after I'm an idiot. Or me not say nothing until him ask me. Or boy, me just make up a story and give him and just go on. I'm gonna tell like Pantasha. Alright, talk to me. Tell me what you would do. And tell me if you believe that woman's story the way it go. And tell me if you believe that she couldn't push Tom Tasha in her head top, lick Tasha and juke him in 2 eye. I remember say it's not like a man, you know, and the man a roar and screw. No. I was a woman where her head there between brr, right? So you could have thump her in her head top. A lady back up off my front. You believe that? Or you just think she didn't like what Tasha keep up with? Yeah, and tell me if Tasha is a good name for the lady. Also, do you believe this is essay? You believe this is RAPE? Up in my comments to let me know. You already know. I roam these internet streets. You're going to find me lurking in these comment section. I just might read your comment. So big up yourself. All right? See you in the next comment.